Hello children, welcome to our computer science class. For class 2, in chapter 1, today we are going to discuss about the topic the computer as smart machine. Already we discussed that what is a machine, right? Once again I recall that machines are man-made things. It makes our work easy. Okay, so a computer is also a man-made machine. Using computer you can do so many things like listen to music, watch movies, write letters, play games, draw pictures and solve sums. In this session we are going to see the exercise for this chapter 1. Okay. Do you know that a computer too can be switched on or off? Okay. This is called starting and shutting down a computer. In this session we are going to discuss how to shutting down a computer. Okay. Through the images. But the images cannot be ordered. Okay. You are going to be order them by using the steps to shutting down a computer. Okay. Our first image. What is this? It's a UPS, right? What is the use of the UPS? It is used to keeps the computer working for sometimes even after the electricity goes off. Next image, shutting down screen. And then this one is the start menu image. In this start menu you are having the shutdown option. Next, start button image. And this is the power supply image. And final one is the monitor. Now let us see the first steps to shutting down a computer. What is the first step? Yes. First step is to click the start button. After clicking the start button, you are having the start menu. Okay. So here this is your step 2. On the start menu, you are going to click the shutdown option. After clicking the shutdown option, the message logging off and then shutting down message will be appear. So this shutting down screen will be the step 3. Okay. After that the monitor turns black. Okay. So you are going to switch off the power button on the monitor. This is your step 4. And then after switch off the power button on monitor, you are going to switch off the UPS. Okay. This is your step 5. And then finally in step 6 you are going to switch off your power supply. Okay. Now you are going to see the images in the ordered form. Okay. Here our first step, click the start button. After clicking the start button, you are having the start menu. Here you are going to click the shutdown option. After that the message logging off and then shutting down will appear. And then step 4, switch off the power button on the monitor. And step 5, switch off the UPS. And finally you are going to switch off the power supply on the power board. Okay. Okay children, I hope do you all understand how to shutting down your computer. Okay. Thank you.